Okay, y'all, I got a great dish for y'all. This is my steak, blue cheese Alfredo pasta. And I'm gonna show you how to make this and put this together. All right, so let's get started. So first, you want to get this water boiling. Boiling hot. Put a little salt in it because you want everything to have their flavors. Okay, so you want to start out with a little salt, not too salty, but a little salt. Put your noodles in there and let them go. All right. So now we're gonna start with a little Chef Brown seasoning. I'll give you the secret to my seasoning later, all right? But you want to season the meat up really good. This is steak, beef, so you want to season up really well, all right? On both sides, get the seasoning all in there. I suggest let it marinate for like 24 hours or at least an hour. That way you get the flavor in good, but just season up and get it real good, all right? So you want to make it look good like that. Look at that, pat that meat in. All right, so you get your pan hot, a little oil, and you just want to lay the meat down. Now, you saw how I lay the meat down away from me so it won't splash, all right? So, you want to let that sear, get that brown sear. So you want to sear it on each side for like 3 minutes to get that good, nice color to it, all right? So once you sear it on both sides for 3 minutes, let it go. Look at that. That thing's so beautiful, beautiful. All right, so you want to take it out and then put it into the oven and let it go. All right, so now you want to saute your mushroom. Get your mushroom sauteed up. Add a little garlic to it. So you want to saute it up real good. Get it going. Come on, flip that thing. Flip it. Look at that. Number technique. All right. So now you want to add your cream to it. Cream gonna add body and texture. This is the base of a bechamel milk or cream, and add your cheese to it. That's the base of your Alfredo. All right, so now I want to add my butter to it. Butter gonna add a little bit more creaminess to it and flavor. Get the butter in there, whisk that around, get that going in there like that. All right, so now you want to add your cheese. So I got a little Parmesan cheese. Add the Parmesan. You can't have Alfredo without Parmesan. All right, so once you got Parmesan, now that you get blue cheese, put your blue cheese in there. So the flavor is really good. You got a Parmesan kick of Parmesan, but you got that blue cheese kick to it really well. All right, so you want to get that stirred in, let it simmer. See, look how it look, beautiful. Now get your noodles that you cook, pour it in now, and you want to just toss that noodles around so the noodles can. You probably can't do what I did, but just toss it around so the noodles can get real soaked with that sauce. All right. Now, little Italian seasoning. I like Italian seasoning in my pasta, so it adds more flavor. With the thyme and the rosemary and basil, that stuff in there. All right. So now, after it's gonna cook down, now you want to take your spinach. Now I like to put the spinach in there last because I want it to wilt, but I don't want it to disappear. So I still want to have body of the spinach, but you just fold it in there and let the heat cook the spinach and wilter it instead of you cook it on the stove. Now I got my broccoli blanched already in hot water. Put it in there. All right, so that look good. Get that tossed up in there. Ooh-wee. And it's go good. All right, so now I got my beef out. Now depends on how you like your beef. I like my beef medium well to well, so this right here perfect for me. If you like it rare, you don't want to cook it as much. You like it rare, just take it straight out of the pan and let it rest, and and enjoy yourself. So I want to slice it up. Give me some good slices to it. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah. All right, so now time to plate. So you want to put your pasta in, give it a little twist, a little nice presentation. Because look, people eat with their eyes, so you want to make it look good, appealing. So throw that steak down there, boy. Yeah, put some cheese on top of that, some green onions, and there you have it. That's that pasta, baby. You got to try it, all right? So thank you for watching. But it's on point. I'm telling you, you'll love it. Peace out.